Hey guys, welcome to my channel KSDTechnoSpace. We are going to start for Oracle PLSQL development. We are starting with very basic fundamental, that is PLSQL statement. PLSQL statement have like was block, you can say declare, okay, begin and end. You can say you can directly write like dbms underscore output dot put line, okay, and close opening and closing brackets and braces and semicolon. Okay, in this you can write my channel name is KSD Techno Space, and simply you can print it f it. Okay, it will print what is the value. So this is a basic, you can say, just to print. Okay, so it will show you this way the output. So okay, you can select this like this way also. Okay, so see, if you select this one, still you will get the output, but generally will not do in the practical scenario. We'll just begin and end, that's it. Okay, so now this is very basic. I'll show you with some example, say with variable, and then how to print the same thing with the variable, that I'll show you so that it will be benefited for you. Okay, so let's start it with the variable. We'll start like L underscore, say first name, or instead of that name. Okay, and which might be, you can say, you can declare as a name, so it's a character. You'll put some character in the first name as that variable itself defined. So it should be in the varchar. You cannot define number. You can define, but you will not able to put the character in that variable. So it should be varchar 2, say 20, and all statements should be ended with the semicolon. And next variable I say last name. Okay, that one also you can put 10. Okay, now suppose you want to define the same thing. Okay, so you just have to use this one. So now this variable, using this variable, we print the same thing. Okay, so now how to assign data to this variable? Just assign this variable, say colon equal to, put your data into quote, say KSD Techno. If you want, you can put some small space also like this way. Otherwise, you can put into the DBMS output. And second is your last name colon equal to, you can put what you want to put, say space and 3 dot 1 2 3. Okay, now let's print this one. So my channel name is, okay, so this will be this one. Okay, now again, now you have already given here a space, so no need to do. Otherwise you can do like this way, space, then again last name. Okay, so it will appear. Anyway, don't give, let's understand by this example. Okay, so device output dot put line, my channel name is first name and last name, and then let's execute this one. So if you see the output, see exactly same, it came like this way. Okay, so this is just small example for this one. Now in this I'll cover little more. Say if you define which I told you, first name as a number. So what will happen? 20. So now if you want to put here, yeah, okay, I will define, because I have already defined one variable with this, so I'll define a first name 1, okay, and here I'll give 1, and I'll try to print the same thing. So what it will do, let's see. So it is saying, what it is showing, that numeric or value error, character to number conversion error. Okay, hope you understood why we cannot do that kind of thing. Okay, now say suppose you want to print 1 2 3 4 5 6, then see what will happen. It's executed. Okay, so sorry, actually I have given first name 1, this one, so I have to put 1, first name 1, then we'll see what will happen. What is the output here? See, output this same. Now this one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 space this one. Okay, so let's see in the next video.